Welcome to this Infinity Downline presentation. In this presentation, I'm going to teach you how you can start your own home business for just $25. I'm going to show you how you can turn that $25 investment into thousands of dollars in monthly residual income that you're going to earn from every single month. So let's see how we can do this. First, what is Infinity Downline? Infinity Downline is an affiliate marketing company that pays their affiliates to refer other people into the program. Basically, what they do is they will pay you to help other people make money for themselves. Now, this may sound too good to be true, but it's not, because with this income opportunity that you opt into, it also gives you products as well. So for $25, you're getting an income opportunity, but basically what you're doing is you're paying for a whole bunch of products, which makes this a legitimate company and a legitimate income opportunity. So what are the products? There are hundreds of hours of video and audio training on dozens of different topics online and offline. So basically what you're doing is you're paying the $25, you're given products that actually help you build your business to make more money. There's free advertising directories, auto safe list posters, traffic exchanges. You can post to newspapers, and these are all included to help you gain referrals. There's also phone broadcasting services, postcard marketing, and full SEO training to increase sales, search engine optimization training, which is big, and much, much more. They value their products over $1,000 in value, which again, it's only $25 to become an affiliate with this program, and they're giving you over $1,000 worth of products as well as a great income opportunity. So now let's take a look at the Infinity Downline Pay Plan, which I'm sure is the part you really are most interested about. As I said before, it's $25 to become an affiliate, and when you pay the $25, you get membership access and you get an affiliate website link. And the affiliate link is the same as the Infinity Downline company link, but it's specific to you. So when you send that website URL out to people through email or whatever it may be, and they click on it and they join the program through your link, you're going to get tracked and credited with the referral, and that's how you make your money. So let's say you get signed up today and you join and you get your first person in. The first person is going to pay you $25 directly through your PayPal, AlertPay, or whatever it is that you choose payment from. And they're going to allow you to break even. So you pay $25, you get started, you find somebody else that wants to make some money, they join up and they allowed you to break even. Now the rest of the people that you get in this program are all going to be profit. Now the second person that you bring into this company is going to actually get passed up to your sponsor or the person that brought you into the company. So you're going to make your sponsor $25 with that second person. The third person is back on your level 1 and direct to you, and they're going to be $25 profit, and they're going to pay you $25 profit per month because everybody pays $25 on a monthly basis. So whatever downline members you have are all going to be paying you $25 per month. So you work one time, you build your business, and you get paid monthly for it, which is great. Now the fourth person is again going to get passed up to your sponsor, and they're going to get paid $25 per month for the second and fourth members that you bring in. So basically you made your sponsor $50 per month by passing up your second and fourth, and you are now fully qualified, which means you don't have to pass up any members, and the rest of the people you get into your business from this point on are all going to be direct to you and pay you $25 per month. So by bringing in 4, you kept 2 of them, and you're $25 in profit. So let's take a deeper look into the reverse 2-up system. So you can see here you're left with 2 members after passing up 2. You broke even with your first and you're up $25 per month in profit with your second. So you're fully qualified. All the members you bring in from this point on are going to be direct to you. So you go out and bring in 2 more. You're looking at $75 profit per month that you get. But let's take a look at how this reverse 2-up system can actually work for you to make you a lot of money. Now, just like you had to do, you had to pass up your second and fourth to your sponsor. Let's say your second member that you brought in brings in 2 members. The first member they bring in is going to break them even and get them their money back, but the second member is actually going to get passed up to you because you're their sponsor. So you can see here on the diagram, the second person got dragged over and brought up to you, so you're now making $25 profit from that particular member, and all these members are going to be able to pass up their second and fourth to you. I just chose the second member that's on your direct level 1 as an example, but let's say that new member that got passed up to you goes out and they get their first 2 members. The first one's going to make them their money back, and then the second member that they get is going to get passed up to you. So you're making another $25 profit from that member, and this process just keeps happening over and over, so you can really see the potential and how much money you can make, not only by bringing in direct referrals on your own, but the reverse 2-up system that's in effect. So let's look at the power of 4 and see how powerful just 4 members in 1 week can be for you and your downline. This example here is based on the fact that you bring in 4 people in 1 week and all of your downline members can do the same. So if we take a look at week 1, you get 4 members, you pass your 2 up, you keep 2, that's a total of $50. So if we take a look at the second week, you're now left with 2 people because you passed 2 up. So let's say those 2 members that you have go out and get their 4, that's 2 each for a total of 4 new members that are going to be passed up to you and a total of $150 that you're going to be making. So in week 3, you now have 4 new members. They're going to go out and get their 4, total of 8 that are getting passed up. That's $350 total. Advance to week 4. Your new 8 get their 4, 16 are passed up, $750 total after 1 month of being an Infinity downline. And remember, this is a $25 initial investment. That's all you pay, $25 per month. You're going to be making $750 per month based on the power of 4 here after just 4 weeks. So we go ahead and we go to week 5. Your new 16 get their 4, 32 are passed up. After 5 weeks, you're looking at over $1,500 per month. So let's use this example and skip right to 10 weeks and see the results here. You would have 512 new members at that point who would all pass up 2 to you, which is a total of 1,024 new members and a total of $25,600 total per month you would make after 10 weeks if everybody brought in 4 members. Now this is all based on duplication and the fact that everybody would bring in 4 per week throughout your whole entire downline. I understand that these results are a little crazy, but they're definitely not unattainable. You know, people can bring in 4 people in a week, and we teach you how to do that, as I'm going to show you on this next slide. But even if it was just $1,000 or $5,000 per month, with a $25 investment, that's still amazing. You know, and this is just to show you how powerful this system can be. As far as how you're going to get your referrals and get those 4 people within a week, we have a lot of team perks. So in addition to the training you receive through Infinity Downline, we also offer many things. One of them is a replicated website. So as I told you before, when you get affiliate access, Infinity Downline is going to give you an affiliate link, which is the company's website, but it's specific to you. What we do is we actually build you a website on our own, and then we use your affiliate link and put that within our website so you can use our website to promote, because it's going to give you a better conversion rate. We have videos on there that show proof of payment and things like that. And Infinity Downline's company website's a little flashy with the money and the cars on the homepage, and people don't really like to see that. So we give you a replicated site that's going to convert for you better. We also have a team rotator, and as you know, you have to pass up your 2nd and 4th members, so we encourage our members to actually use their team members' affiliate links when they're working on their 2nd and 4th and promote their team members' affiliate links. That way they can get that person on their 2nd level, or 2nd spot rather, and get them passed up to them anyway, just to get that spot out of the way. And the second part of that rotator is if somebody, for any reason, we offer many tools, but if people can't get around to it or something comes up and they never get the chance to promote and they're within their last week or so of before they have to pay for their next month of $25 and they haven't had any members yet, we'll actually just throw a member in their first spot just to make sure they recoup their $25 costs and their investment and make sure that everybody's going to make money, because that's what we're here to do. Also, we hold online team webinars, which you may be in right now, and what they do is they offer a chance for people to invite prospects into the webinars so our team leaders can kind of explain the program and get them to sign up that way. And at the end of the day, if they like what they see and they want to build their own business, they can just follow their sponsor, the person that brought them into the webinar, and get started with them. They're still going to have all the access to our team perks that we're offering here. Also, we have automated software to get you at least 1,000 prospects to your site each day. These are automated software programs through Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook. They run on autopilot, so you set them up and you duplicate exactly what we do as far as messages that we send out word for word. Everything's just duplication, and they work for you. 1,000 people per day to your site. If even a small percentage of those people actually sign up per day, even if you get 1 per day, it's still amazing. That's over 4 a week. So you can see the power there. And also, maybe the most important is real team support. You know, we are real people that are here to help you. We're not going to be an upline that just abandons you. You sign up and then you don't hear from the upline. We're always here to help you, whether you're on my particular team or anybody within my team's team. I'm always here to help you as well as them. So that might be the most important. And that pretty much wraps up